So now let us proceed to define the deployment and service for Redis. So under the k8s folder, create a new file and save it using controllers under the name Redis deployment .yaml. Okay, so this is very similar to the deployment which we have created for the web deployment. So obviously it will have the API version kind and all. So let us define one by one. So the first one we will write as API version, which is apps/v1. Then comes the kind, which is deployment, D capital. Then the metadata, where we define the name of the deployment to be Redis deployment. Okay, then we will define the spec. Under spec, we will define that we want to have one replica, replicas 1. Then the selector component. Under selector, we will write the match labels. For match labels, we want to match all the pods whose component is the Redis. Okay, so we will write that Redis shortly. Okay, so under the specs itself, the next thing we will define is the template of the pods. Template and metadata. Under metadata, we will write labels. So under labels, we will write that the component is Redis. So the pods whose component is Redis will be matched with the labels this, so that all those pods become under the same deployment. Okay, then the specifications for this template, I mean the specification for the pod. Template refers to pod, right? So spec containers. So under containers, we will give it a name, we will give the image it should run and all. So the name is Redis, and then the image is Redis : 6.0.8. Okay, so this is the same image we have got from the Docker Hub even when building the multi-container application, right? Then finally, we will define the ports for this. Okay, so under containers, we will write ports hyphen container port is 6379. Okay, save it. So we are done with the Redis deployment. Let us proceed to define the service for Redis. Okay.